Greetings. A couple weeks ago, I did a video testing the timecode accuracy of the TASCAM FR-AV2 compared to the BETSO timecode generator system and an Osmo Pocket 3. One thing with that video, though, is that the time duration was not very long. It was only about an hour. And I got asked in the comments, and rightfully so, about a longer-term time code test. And so that's what this is. As you can see from the time code at the top of the TASCAM screen, this has been running for almost 24 hours now, and we're going to record one more delta when it rolls over. To do this test, I have done something a little bit simpler than that last test. In the last test, I recorded samples and then compared them frame by frame in DaVinci Resolve. For this test, what I have done is I've got an ambient Locket Plus here, which, for those that may not know, has the ability to compare its own internal generator with incoming time code. So what I did is I started this test by setting the time code on the Locket Plus to 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, 0 frames. I then, using this cable, this is the out port, this is the in port, right? So if I went out into the in on the TASCAM to jam the TASCAM, and then I hooked the TASCAMs out to the in cable on the Locket. Now, because neither of these devices will run for 24 hours with internal battery, I have been powering both of them via USB. And so while we wait for this to approach 24 hours, I'm going to quickly go through the captures that I made at various intervals with the camera. So at 4 hours, the delta between the TASCAM FR-AV2 and the Locket Plus was about 0.39 frames. At 8 hours, the delta was just a hair over 0.8 frames. And at 16 hours, which is a little bit longer because I went to sleep for the night, at 16 hours, the delta is about 1.63 frames. At 20 hours, the delta is about 2.04 frames. So we're starting to see a pattern here, right? To capture the deltas, I've been using the web interface of the Locket Plus, as it gives a lot more detail than is available from the tiny LCD screen on the Locket Plus itself. So as you can see, we're about to roll over, and I will get ready to capture the screenshot when it does. We just rolled over, and as you can see, the delta is about 2.45 or 46 frames. So what it seems is that, at least compared to the ambient Locket Plus, and granted the Locket Plus may drift a little bit itself as well, I think it's rated for something like half a frame in 24 hours, we see roughly 1/10 of a frame per hour drift with the TASCAM FR-AV2, at least relative to this Locket Plus that I'm using. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks. Cheers.